Hey guys, today I'm bringing you an unboxing video of Xiaomi body composition scale 2, and welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Idiot, and let's move on. When you are pairing the device for the first time, install MiFit app on your mobile and then go to the top right corner plus sign, and you can touch the scale button and it will ask you to step on the scale for pairing. All you got to do is step on the scale and it will automatically pair the scale to your app. When you are measuring with the scale, you have to stand on the scale with both feet touching the 4 electrodes. So the electrodes will be sending a small electric pulse through your body, which will be used to calculate your body composition values. After the status bar in the scale completes, you can see 13 body composition details from the MiFit app, and the ones which are not in proper range will be highlighted, and it will show what you can do to improve. It will give you an overall health score and show to which category your body belongs to. You can use the scale with all your family members because it lets you keep up to 16 user profiles, and it also allows guest accounts. So if you are going to use these only as a normal bathroom scale, this will just be a waste of money because this costs twice as a normal scale. But if you are going to get your body composition details seriously, then this is a good option because this is a reliable and a cheaper option in the market. Let me know your thoughts on the device in the comment section below. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. To see my future videos, subscribe to my channel, and see you guys in the next video.